Why do we sneeze? Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Sneezing is the body's way of clearing the nose of irritants. When something like dust, pollen, or a strong smell irritates the lining of your nose, it triggers a reflex that sends a signal to your brain. The brain then tells the muscles in your chest and throat to contract, forcing air out through your nose and mouth at high speed. This expels the irritants and helps keep your respiratory system clean. If you have more science questions, leave them in the comments.